Meko Afro Nation argument to be buyer of Asake and then MDK Medikal.
Share that link. Share that link.
Asake so a private jet. New one, which was awesome. And Che and MDK Medikal so buy. So I know what to be, you know. All this, I don't understand. Medikal is just on Asake with the same level. Medikal on Twitter. Chere say always kakura chen Asake. Asake niskan China. But right now, people will say it's okay. Asake ne dey what you this Asake wiska. But MDK the end you feel like MDK niska. You see, there are more phobia they will make money or they are making money from music. MDK is making money from music, but not as much as Asake. Osha Asake ni shows are obwa. Asake wa UK kokobo the actual O2 arena. What I say? Medikal kokobo the O2 Indigo. So when it comes to standard, when it comes to reacher, Medikal nyenu Asake level at least based on numbers. What I say? When it comes to numbers, and Ghana for main Nigeria for because there are so many. And right now, no Asake Instagram crana. Was it Lungo Boy World Tour? 40 mile. That is Afro Nation or Coco headline the first day. And you know, London, your wireless festival, Ujina. So, Washington, D.C., Capital One Arena, Ujinem, Detroit, Michigan, Afro Nation, that is Afro Nation, US, and also Ujina. So, State Farm Arena, Atlanta, Georgia, Ujina. So, Toyota Center, Houston, Texas, Ujina. So, YouTube Theater, Los Angeles, Ujina. So, Madison Square Garden, that is 50,000 capacity, Abusia, Ujinem. Palladium, I think, Cologne, Abusia, Ujinem. Afas Live, Amsterdam, Ujinem. Uber Eats Music Hall, Berlin, Ojinem. Paris, your Zenith Arena, Ojinem. Dublin, your 3 Arena, Ojinem. Australia, our Gold Coast, as a Promotional, we share the stages are Asake fro. And then the amount of money at that Asake Trizwa. Medikal doesn't come close. And when you know that some of these artists, they travel from this show to this show to this city to this city. Sometimes the times and any dates na ya been home. So to pick and book commercial airlines and then use that to go to the various cities sometimes a little bit stressful. So for them, getting a private jet at least eases their transportation. What you say? So that's the reason why Wizkid will be, Burna Boy will be, Davido will be, so that or new team or more traveler, it becomes way easier for them. So that is understandable. But Medikal right now, you are not on some of these big stages. You don't even travel much to do shows. I'm not dissing Medikal, I'm just stating facts. You don't travel that much to do shows. And there's auto a private jet right now. Business-wise, that is not wise. What I say? For business tycoons like guy Dan Macaulay. I don't know if say that man, if you know him, you know him. Or only private jet business for Ghana. Or travel around Ghana use private jet. So for no, business-wise, it's a day be a bit one. Because you can wait if you are called Sunyane or call Tamalia. You can wait on passion there. What I say? You be no promo freedom or promo. At least who is scar show it up. But if Medikal buys a private jet, I'm not saying it's ultimate. If he buys it, it doesn't make sense business-wise or strategically. It doesn't make sense. If say, solely or purposefully to compete with Asake. You get me?
I'm a piano. It's a big vibe, but the girls them know.
Asake then again, because of the massive shows Sky ye to he can afford to get it and it will help ease the transportation. Medikal, you are not traveling around that much. So if you get a private jet, it's just for kind of bragging. And that's a whole lot of people can make the argument say, it's not true. I'm one of those people, I won't lie. You can say, so what a private jet? What are you using private jet for? I understand that sometimes you gotta brag. Or a rapper. Rappers, it comes with the territory. Private jet. Uber to me at all. It's not that expensive. I won't lie. Who could have $500,000, like $250,000 run up with a private jet? It's not like say idea be super expensive, Debbie. Based on at least what we know about Medikal, I can boldly say the Medikal about $1 million minimum on a bank account. That means he can buy a private jet. Any issue. What do you say?
Blood dripping on my boots, you thought it was fashion, nah. These red bottoms ain't cheap.
But sort of private jet now parking in Ghana airport. Number sumi biya na day biya charge on sawa parking. What is the sense of that?
Freeze, ice, Jesus Christ.
To me, that doesn't make any sense. You get me? So at least Medikal Asake situation, I believe that Medikal only any private jet. Asake, I don't know for a fact so war. It could be so war, and if so war, need any justifiable because of the world travels and the big shows now. And Nigeria have all lies to show off. That's the reason why the video or the private jet so that's the part of the reason why I'm fees, so that much. What I say? And if an artist like Asake and was start to blow up that big, can't change the labels on your private jet, they will buy it for him because they scan you on one there. And if the prayer can is a record label mouse car, it's not like somebody at all. It's an advance. You pay it back. It's like a loan. What I say? So basically, that is that. And the shows now, Bono. I've heard this Afro Nation, Live Nation, tier like 500,000 for Asake. It could be more, it could be less. But $500,000 was the euros, That is not small money. Not to put Medikal down, but no one is paying 500,000 for Medikal. It's that simple. What I say? So at least that is that. What do you make of this? Has Medikal want a private jet or nah? You're branding right now a day in BYK. You're branding the BYK and now. Unima and I say you true about me comment section as well.
La Hasulo, yes Allah.
Tap send number one mobile app of you bet me so they send this command for Wakana. Right now, tap send on wallet system no Europe baby. Yeah. Into bet me at this Google wallet so. Say say right now, tap the exchange rate now Kosura to be a 15 1 euro a 15. We bet me recharge your wallet and using the current exchange rate now was so send your bay a buffer grana. You won't get affected, especially unim say ABN chobes and this fear. So that is one useful way of betting use the wallet system. And as a scan or wallet numa, who in your bank account to man answer credit card. So you bet me send this mama for Ghana straight and fast because already in a scanner or tap wallet. One can bet my draw scan to the payment method I will pay. This is good. It is a one you tap sender. Now is the best time to download it. Kwa Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Now go download it right now. First time and somebody send this car coffee and a business bet you $10 for free. So what US Europe €5, so UK £5. Nobody else over code Magraheb by Shemna with your mama. That's Canadian car was sending home. Two you tap sender. Go download and start using it right now. Can use a Jaga 4 bitters, a latest bitters in town. A month for a trebino. Omudi wa dance pa nubune wo ma de threaten wa pom e ma wo no ma feel like okay we you smooth e sounds we body no mu adwuma no abuzia jagafo uraga na ba bi atwitwa kakra ubenya bi atwa me kan sa ya yeso koduru fa e kan say ba bi e ton sa na VC10 was me pe jagafo na e dia mo anu atwa na ko da bi you go pay so definitely no try when you bet your home. Michael 20, a draw benoma, we shall be fighting against the idea viruses the world body and never seen a build the immune system. Let there be a wire fit and strong. Me say, what I know vehicle on a daily basis, yadia, a two say no chum because what build the immune system. Now, I strong to say, yadia be about a be fighting against the idea no heavily ankasa. Tiabuzia, Uragana from Mazisho be a Benya vehicle 20 be out from Joy Industries. That good. And the video, no, thanks for watching. Subscribe, do all the good stuff. Till we meet again, Abusia. Adios.